In a bold marketing pivot, Samsung appears to be rebranding its base Galaxy S line into what may be called the Galaxy S26 Pro, a model that could combine compactness with flagship-level components. A recently surfaced first-look trailer, YouTube link, has ignited speculation, revealing high-resolution renders, design cues, and leaked dimensions that promise both continuity and subtle evolution. Below, we unpack every visible detail from the trailer, theorize about Samsung's strategy, and explore what this could mean for the future of Galaxy Pro devices. The trailer begins by unveiling stunning render images of the S26 Pro in a vivid blue finish, drawing immediate attention to the device's aesthetic refresh. Midnight. The voiceover emphasizes that these are not mere fan renders. They are supposedly official. Immediately, two design shifts become apparent. The camera module is now housed in a rectangular block, rather than the individually extruding lenses seen in earlier models. The device's back panel is flat, likely glass, with a triple lens setup arranged vertically. At 0.26, we see the flat display with a centered punch-hole camera and very slim bezels. The frame is rendered in aluminum, and all buttons are placed on the device's right side, echoing earlier Galaxy flagships. Moving to the section around 0.49, the narrator compares it to the Galaxy S25, noting similarities in philosophy but differences in scale. The S26 Pro is reportedly 6.3 inches rather than 6.2, and its overall dimensions are 149.3 millimeters times 71.4 millimeters times 6.96 millimeters. Thickening to 10.23 millimeters once the camera bump is included. The S25, in contrast, measured 146.9 by 70.5 by 7.2 millimeters, making this new model a bit taller, wider, and slightly thinner on the body, ignoring the bump. At 1.13, we hear about charging. The leaker Universe Ice, a known name in smartphone leaks, claims both the S26 Pro and S26 Edge will still be limited to 25W wired charging, the same as current models. Meanwhile, 150 introduces the highest resolution renders yet. Multiple angles of the blue variant, thin chassis, and reconfigured camera layout. By 2.19. The narrator notes that the S26 Pro is set to succeed the Galaxy S25, suggesting that the new model will be slightly larger, but also more compact than the Ultra variants. The narrator then draws a comparison with the rumored iPhone 17 Pro in terms of size, 247, positioning the S26 Pro as a compact flagship contender. From 3.16 onward, speculation intensifies. Are the lenses bulging because of physically larger sensors, redesigned optics, or just a visually aggressive camera module design choice? The trailer also mentions that along with the S26 Pro, Samsung may launch a Galaxy S26 Edge and Galaxy S26 Ultra as part of a revised lineup, 3.48. In the segment, 4.11 to 5.14, the narrator digs deeper into the Samsung lineup philosophy. Previously, Samsung split its line into base, plus, and Ultra models. The S26 series could reframe that by using Pro, Edge, and Ultra to differentiate tiers. The Pro model might fill a long missing gap, delivering high-end specs in a more compact footprint, rather